The thing I enjoyed the most was probably getting a sense of scale for the size of these roof structures and also getting a better grasp of what materials are used.
When we're in the university, sort of in that environment, we obviously talk about the component parts of buildings in particular. It's really helpful for students to be able to see that firsthand.
Something that was of particular interest to me was seeing all the robots and the machinery, especially because it's something we haven't seen before. Like at least personally, I've seen some more of the intricate handwork in different parts of the world, but I've yet to see something such automated as you have at Marley.
I think the manufacturing process is quite a fundamental part for them to see as well. So you understand there's a lot of work and research and background that goes into manufacturing the tiles for them, especially if they was going to specify those on projects going forward.
I have a better understanding of roof structures, tiles, materials, just the general design process.
Talking to manufacturers as well, the insight for me is that they get a bigger picture from what I can do in a condensed environment of being in university. Is more elaborated here when they can see it, especially at full scale.
I think that students and manufacturers having that channel of communication is really important. Learning the stuff they do now, this early on into their career, will allow them to take that with them into practice in the future.
When you're working on a project, your number one go-to will be the manufacturers, whether it's for roofing, for flooring, for tiles, for finishes, or for furniture. And so having that early start would really be helpful, not just now, but further along the line when you reach out to some of these manufacturers when you're in practice.
I'd like to see more manufacturers engage with us, because everything coming from my mouth, explaining about these component parts, for instance, for buildings, only some of that will sink in. You notice when you hear in particular talking with manufacturers how engaged the students are. They're interested, engaged, asking questions. I think that's really beneficial, especially when they can see it, when they're talking about it.